In real estate, you get paid out of the equity. So where could I go to find a neighborhood that has zero equity? The newer the neighborhood is, the less equity there's going to be, okay? I see all these other real estate coaches talking about you need to find a high turnover area. No, the opposite is true. The higher the turnover, the less equity there is to pay you with. You don't need a low turnover area, but you need an area that has older people in it, and older people live in older neighborhoods. So if you do a little research, the whole neighborhood has to have doubled in value. I want you to feel free to call me anytime on my cell phone, 480-385-8810. And we'll see if what you're trying to do in your business and what we do at Fearless Agent, if it would be a good fit. If it's not a good fit, that's fine. I'm still going to help you in any other way I can. I got a lot of other ways to help you. You can go to fearlessagentpodcast.com. If you're an Apple iPhone user, you can subscribe on iTunes. It's on Spotify. So look for fearlessagentpodcast.com. Listen to the old episodes towards the newest. At this point, there's about 100 and some, I guess. So listen to those, and then go to fearlessagent.com. Watch all the videos on our website. My guarantee to you is that that would be better coaching than you would pay any other coach in America, any amount of money, and it would be free. And then call me up if you like what you see, if you think it might be a good fit. When you call me, there's not going to be anybody closing you. There's no high pressure. We're just going to see if it's a good fit, and then you decide when you want to sign up, or if you want to sign up, that's fine. But I will say this, I can't wait to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.